everyone, this is the backyard, and here we're looking for chickweed. Easy to identify, incredible edible. Come with me, I'll show you where to see it. It's a low crawler and it doesn't like the sun. Where you find it is in the shade. Come over here, look at this. All of these crawling little long stalks herb. It's under the trees, it's under the pots, and it's only in the winter days when it's cooler. When it comes summer, it disappears. So take advantage for the seasonal abundance. This is amazing. It's rich in vitamin, rich in minerals. You can eat a lot. What is usually most as garnish for sandwiches, put it in your salad, make smoothies. Excellent, you can cook it too. Put it in pies, put it in pasta sauces, put it in your stir fry. Easy to identify. Very basic skills to identify this one is looking at two clear features. If you look at the stalk and you turn it around slowly, you will notice that there is one line of hair on one side only of the stalk, like a crest, like a mohawk. Chickweed, it's got a chicken crest. Then, if you gentle pull apart, crack it, pull it apart, and you will see there's a stalk inside it, like a line, like a bone. There's a bone inside chickweed. So there it is, chickweed, chicken crest, chicken bone. There is several look-alike. If it doesn't have the crest, if it doesn't have the bone, it's not chickweed. Now that you know it, eat it. This is amazing. You can eat it raw like that. Yeah, it's very fresh and very like alfalfa, like green vegetables, like excellent in salad. What is good at this plant is the richness in mineral and vitamins and high content of protein too. So this is the kind of plant you want in your diet. Medicine wise, this is used a lot for skin lotions. When you have irritated skins, like you scratchy, like you being upset when you burn, not when you burn yourself, but when you scratch yourself. This makes a fantastic skin lotion. So you harvest it, you infuse it with oil, and then you use the oil infused with chickweed on your skin. You can also put it in the bathtub, and you have a bath with chickweed, and it settles down your irritations. So chickweed, excellent food, excellent medicine in your backyard right now.